In this video, I will show you how to quickly get in the drip liberation and drip garden from the Manor Farm, and how you can earn 3% per day with your drip and BUSD tokens. So if you like making passive income with your crypto, keep watching all the way to the end. The Manor Farm platform has just launched, and if you are into drip, you will absolutely love it. If you've never heard about drip, then let me explain it in a few sentences. Drip is a cryptocurrency token on the Binance Smart Chain. It functions as the native token on the decentralized Drip network, just like the Cake token on the PancakeSwap exchange. The Drip network is a low-risk way to earn 1% interest per day on your Drip tokens. These small daily gains can quickly snowball into life-changing profits by using the power of compounding interest. Compounding your drip every day will grow your drip balance and earn you even more drip. It's amazing. I don't know what you think about drip, but making 1% every day certainly beats leaving your cash in a savings account where your money devalues every day. If you like to find out more about drip, and how you can also earn 1% per day on your crypto, please download a free copy of my drip ebook guide. The link is below in the description box. The Manor Farm was created by Forex Shark, the same guy who developed drip. I don't know his real name, but that's how he likes to be called. Forex is an absolute genius. He set up the Manor Farm to incentivize people to add BUSD liquidity to drip on the PancakeSwap exchange, without charging the 10% liquidity tax. In return you get liquidity pool tokens that earn an extra 3% interest per day. These LP tokens can be sold, but it's much better to compound your LP tokens to earn more drip and BUSD coins. It's a brilliant concept, created by one of the smartest blockchain developers ever. The Manor Farm will give drip a higher price appreciation and a deeper level of stability. In other words, drip will become a scarce asset and the Manor Farm will print millionaires just like drip does. The Manor Farm will bring drip to the attention of thousands of new investors, and as you may know, when people buy drip and put it in the faucet to earn 1% daily interest, that drip is burned and forever removed from the market. Can you imagine what will happen when big investors who discover drip want to buy drip to deposit in the drip network? Let me tell you what will happen. Drip will see a huge spike in demand and the price will shoot up. In fact, drip already went up to $90 last week, which is an all-time high. Remember, I am not a professional advisor. Nothing is guaranteed and you alone are responsible for your actions. I don't have a crystal ball and can't predict the future, so please don't copy what I do but do your own research before you invest in any crypto platform. Okay, now let's talk about the way the farm works and start with the drip liberation contract. Make sure to have your MetaMask wallet connected to the Binance Smart Chain and also to the Manor Farm before you do anything here, or the site will not work. The drip liberation is where you use BUSD stable coins to add drip/BUSD liquidity to PancakeSwap. Now, why would you put drip and BUSD into the liquidity pool on the drip liberation platform and not on the PancakeSwap site? It's simple. The main reason is that you don't have to pay a 10% tax fee for taking out drip from the drip network, and you also don't pay the 10% tax when you put drip into the PancakeSwap liquidity pool. Drip liberation allows you to do it for free. The second reason is that when people use the pool to borrow or swap BUSD or drip on PancakeSwap, you automatically get a share of the liquidity pool fees. This is how you generate passive income. Remember, this is high risk, high reward. If you want lower risk, please stick with the drip network. You can add BUSD to the contract by using this form. Approve the BUSD in your MetaMask wallet first, and then deposit your BUSD right from your MetaMask wallet in the drip liberation contract. Pay the small transaction fee, and you're done. The contract will do the rest. Half of your BUSD will be used to buy drip and the rest of the BUSD will add liquidity to PancakeSwap. This all happens automatically by smart contract. No humans are involved. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When you add BUSD to the liberation contract, you will get LP tokens in return. These tokens are called plants and you can see them when going to the drip garden. I have 59 plants in my balance because I already put in 600 BUSD, and these tokens are earning more LP tokens, called seed in this case, at 3% per day. That's crazy. You can see the numbers change right here. If you don't see your LP tokens go up, just refresh the page, and it will work. I can now compound or plant my LP tokens to earn more seed, or I can claim my tokens and sell them. But selling is not an option in my personal strategy. I will compound my LP tokens every day for 30 days in a row, to earn more plants using the magic of compounded interest. If this platform will be as successful as the Drip network, then there will be a ton of money made by everyone who gets on board. The Drip Manor Farm will last for a long time, because the smart contract is set up to benefit every player, no matter when you get in. Here's a graph showing the buying power over time, compared to other miners or farms that only make early investors rich and happy. The point here is to get your LP token balance go up as high as possible, to earn more seed every day. So, don't claim, but compound, compound and compound until you can harvest and start taking profits. And when the rest of the website goes live, that will be in January 2022, you can stake your LP tokens and earn REV tokens in the pools and farms. These REV tokens will allow you to earn more BUSD and Drip. It's going to be gigantic. This is how I will use the Manor Farm. Your strategy may differ, and that's fine. Everyone's got a different plan. Use my referral link below in the description box to get started, and deposit as much BUSD as you can miss to make this work for you 24/7. Remember to compound every day to grow the ecosystem, and we will all benefit in the long run. That's all I can say. Now it's up to you to make it happen. Check out the white paper if you want more information or help to decide your own strategy to get the most out of this opportunity. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you got a better understanding of the Manor Farm and all the beautiful things it can do for you. All the links in this video can be found below in the description box. If you like this information, please join my Telegram channel where I share all the newest crypto tips and dApps first, before I post them here on YouTube. The Telegram link is also below. Or subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get my latest videos first. Let me know your opinion or questions in the comments section. I'm always happy to read your feedback. One more thing before I leave. I have started a drip team called Dripaholics. Every week on Sundays, I airdrop free drip tokens to all the team members. If you also want to join my Dripaholics team and get a share of my drip profits, you will need to open a new drip account and use the special buddy address that I have put down in the description box below. The only requirement to get my airdrops is to invest at least one drip. For more information on how to participate in my free drip airdrops, and to get the latest team updates, please join my Dripaholics Telegram channel or watch the Dripaholics video on my YouTube channel. You'll find the links below. Thanks again for watching all the way to the end and have a wonderful day.